So let's swap this Flieger and get a NATO strap. I bought this nice soft leather one for a NATO strap, and I'm going to take this band off and put the NATO strap on. Now you're going to need the old trusty fingermajig, and what you've got to do is get in there and push that down, and then that'll pop out. Just be careful. Remember, this stuff goes flying everywhere, so you really should be doing it on a desk. I know some of the jewelers, they have a desk with like side walls and that, so when shit goes flying, it doesn't end up on the floor, and it's not easy. Now it went bloody back in. I tried doing it this way instead. Looks like it's easier doing it from like that rather than me flipping the other way. Alright, so now what? Why isn't it coming out? Now you just got to pull it out a bit, that's all. Bit fiddly. So just put these back in. Now if you've got fingernails, just use the fingernails. You get more dexterity with your fingers. Maybe not. Just got to be careful. See? Bloody thing. I want it to spring out and fly across the room. You got to come at it with attitude. And there it is. See? Concentrate. Deep breath. Latch onto it. Spring down. Oh, you bastard. Got him. There's a couple of ways to NATO, put a NATO strap on. You can Google it if you want, but I found this way the best out of the two that I saw. The end bit with the holes go in at midnight and put it in the other hole there at 6 o'clock. There. Alright. Now you've got it like that. You want to get that in the middle. So bring this over. There. Somewhere like that. Now that's ready to go because you do it on your wrist. So put it on the wrist. Alright. Now get this flap bit and bring it over like that, like a handcuff. And then instead of putting it in here, you fold this over like that. You fold it and then you thread it. So I mean, it's the same shit, you just got to go like that. Bit fiddly, you wouldn't want to be in a rush. It's not like grab your watch and go, like in Pulp Fiction, where Bruce Willis had to, go back and the watch was on Captain Kangaroo. And now you've done that one, so tighten that up a bit. Now go through the main one. Now this way, and then thread it. If you get a little bit hanging over, don't worry about it. Now this is the better way because you get no double up crap here. It's nice and smooth. So there you go. Yeah, that's much better. Looks more retro type, more piloty type. Yeah, that'll do. Military Pilot Flieger Seiko Classic. Hey Jerry, you see my Flieger? Eh? You see my Flieger watch? Yes, cheeky girl. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next watch. I tested it out on this old Orano Sign Time 1940s watch that I got. You think I can find any info on this? Absolutely nothing. It's Swiss. I found some information on like one forum, but there's bugger all info about Orano. Anyway,